Hi everyone, it's Deborah at Heat Transfer Source, and we are so excited because we're bringing to you our first newsletter. We want it to be actually what you want it to be, so it's going to be interactive. You can ask questions about any of our product that you're using, like the glitter or the spectrum or our new faux leather. You can ask questions about our blanks, how to iron or heat press onto the blanks, how to heat press and what temperature to use onto faux leather. The first newsletter is featuring water slide. We have a lot of you who are interested in water slide and how to put it on various substrates, so we're focusing on that. And then we are also giving video tips. It's a short newsletter, and we would love to have your responses, your questions, your suggestions, because we want this to be tailored just for you, our friends at Facebook and all of our HTS friends in our email list. You mean the world to us, and we want to keep the communications open. So check out our first newsletter and then suggest what you'd like to see. Hope you like it, guys. Bye.